Professor Atkin! So glad you could make it. It's good to finally meet you in person.
Yes, it is.
Come on in. So, Professor, you're looking good. What's with the shorts?
Oh, I was just thinking about playing some basketball with the homies.
Okay.
I love your home. I feel like I might have been here before. Oh, never mind. You do know I charge $1,000 an hour for my service.
Okay, well, yes, I do. I understand. Let's hurry. So, Professor Atkin, thank you for stopping by. Yes. Let's hurry up here with how much you're charging.
Okay. I'd like to take my time. So tell me a little bit more about why you called me over here.
Professor, I've been so frustrated. I've been looking for something that can bring the dead back to life. Anything.
Well, in all my years of travel, I've only seen one particular conjure that might be able to do what you're looking for, but I must warn you, it's quite dangerous. Yes. No, I have heard of something like that before. Right here. Perhaps you've seen anything like this before?
No, Professor, but it looks oddly familiar.
I thought you might say that. What this spell does, it's extremely dangerous, okay? I can't even speak about it. What it can do, it can bring someone back from the dead, but it can even cause inanimate objects to come to life.
Professor, is that real? Well, let's try it with one of these dog toys. What about this sock monkey?
No, it's far too dangerous to try it on the sock monkey. You shouldn't have called me here. I believe you called me.
Professor! Please. You have to try it on the sock monkey. If you're gonna try it on a real person, it's better to try it on a sock monkey first.
Perhaps you're right, but the results could be disastrous.
Well, let's just try it. Come on. I'm paying you $1,000 an hour here.
You're right. My wife does want a new boat. I suppose we could just try it.
Give me something.
Go against everything I stand for, but what the hey? Let's give it a shot.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about.
It helps if you repeat after me.
What?
That should do it.
What do we do now, Professor? What do we do now? What do we do now?
Shoot it! You got any place with food, water, shelter, a toilet, separate bathrooms, of course, if you have it. Somewhere safe that we can hide, bunker down for a few hours.
Professor, I know just the place.
Where to?
Right this way, downstairs.
Oh, this place will work great. Where to?
Okay, Professor. Just right this way, to your right. Yeah. All right, Professor. You can set your manuscripts down right there, and I can show you into this.
Anywhere I can take a little bit of a rest, my boy.
Yes, absolutely, Professor. Please, right this way. I'm sorry, I should have mentioned it. Right back in this room. Please take as long of a rest as you need. I'll be in a
There's no way Sock Monkey's getting down here?
No, absolutely not.
Wait a second. I've been here before.
White monkey, I love
I can't be here anymore. I can't. Ethan! Ethan!
Professor Atkin, what? What?
I've been here before. I've been here before, and I know you're not just a student in my class. You know it too. It's so strange.
What is that? It's a sock monkey. What do we do?
Come on down!
Ah!
All right, don't worry.
I got this.
Wait, you have an extra gun for me?
Yeah, here, take this.
Thanks. Wait, this is a fake gun.
done.
What about you?
Finish the fight.
Are you sure?
Yeah, don't worry, I got pressure on this.
Okay. Professor Atkins, hurry! To the bathroom! Whoa! Please!
Please, monkey.
No! We did it!
You saved my life.
We beat the sock monkey.
You know what? You get it.
Yes! Thank
Also-
you! What? What, Professor? What is that?
That, my friend, is my 4-hour timer, and your 4 hours are up.
You son of a...